how to make $100 a day online fast, and you can do this wherever you are in the world. What's going on, guys? Francis Aboganya here today, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an amazing strategy I used to make $100 a day applying this. Okay, and the cool part about this is that you can do this anywhere you are in the world. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in which in Nigeria is my country, right? If you're in Nigeria, Africa, Asia, the US, wherever you are, this strategy applies. Okay, it's not as if it's limited to some people, while some other people can actually apply this strategy. You can literally do this if you have your computer and if you have internet connection. Okay, that's all you need to get the strategy going. Okay, and it is fast if you really know what you're doing, if you can apply it. Okay, I literally got $100 my first day of applying this strategy, and that's to tell you that it worked. Okay, that's why I'm sharing this with you guys right here today, because whenever I test out a new strategy and it worked for me, I want to share with you guys on YouTube as well. Okay, so you can literally make money from it also. Yeah, if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Francis Aboganya. If you don't know who I am, I mostly talk about entrepreneurship, how to make money online. I share my journey as well as my experiences right here on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this that I just mentioned, if you like videos such as the title tag and the thumbnail, okay, hit that red subscribe button, take that bell notification icon. That way you get notified whenever I come out with a new video such as this one, so that you don't miss out on anything. And if you stay to the end of this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let me know what you think about this video in the comments. Okay, I would like to know your thoughts and what you are currently applying in your business, or are you about to start an online business, or what are you currently doing to set up a business in general, or what are you doing in terms of entrepreneurship. Okay, so you can check out the description for my affiliate marketing ebook. It's actually free. Also, I'm going to leave a link to a coaching call. If you want to book a coaching call with me, I'm going to leave that in the description of this video as well. All right, and be sure to check out some of the resources in the description for any cool links that will be of value to you. Okay, I'm going to be leaving some cool stuff in the description box as well. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make $100 fast wherever you are in the world. Let's do this, guys. So guys, like I mentioned earlier on, I actually applied this strategy and it literally worked for me. So guys, this strategy, like I mentioned, you can literally do this wherever you are in the world, and it's super simple. It's easy. Anybody can literally do this. Even a beginner, somebody that has no experience in terms of online marketing, can actually do this as well. And I'm super excited because I just got my t-shirt from Teespring, guys. You can see this. We love entrepreneurship. I like this a lot. If you want it, you can let me know. You can get you one. Okay, I actually designed this. If you can remember a while back, I made a video, okay, explaining a design that looks like this in one of my videos when I made this design. Okay, so I just decided to get one for myself as well, right? To have that feel of entrepreneurship, and I like the grip, I like the way it is on my body. Okay, like I said earlier on, to apply this strategy, it is very simple, and anybody can literally do this. Okay, now the first thing I did to get the strategy going is I got a product, or there's a product I was promoting, which I am making money from. So I literally promote that product in a unique way, in a different way, right? Using a different strategy. So the strategy, so what I recommend you should do first in terms of applying this is, first of all, you have to get a product. Okay, you're going to be promoting. You need a product, okay, that is unique. I recommend a product that gives you a commission above $50, okay, to make the strategy work easy and effective. I recommend a product that the affiliate payout is above $50. Okay, minimum. Okay, it should be above $50. What I promote literally is Bluehost. Okay, it's a web hosting platform you can use to host your website and all those cool stuff. And the payout is about $65. Okay, that's what I literally promote, and I make money from it. Okay, and I get commissions doing that. So what I recommend you do is to make a product, or you should get a product that pays you above $50 to promote. It can be in any niche, whatever niche you're in. Okay. Then number two, as I identified my product that I was going to be promoting, which is the Bluehost hosting plan, right? The Bluehost hosting plan that I promote, and I guess it's $5 per sign up, right? Then what I did was I provide extreme value. Like you can see in my previous video, I made a video where I say free website design. Okay, I was offering free website to a lot of people out there. Actually, I started this on DMs, right? I was doing some DMs on Facebook and on Instagram, DMing some people about my free website design giveaway that I am doing, that I want to just give out to just 20 persons, right? And I don't want my YouTube audience to miss out on it, so I decided to also share with you guys if I can get some people on YouTube, you guys, to help as well. Okay, I just want to do it outside YouTube. I feel it's not that fair. Okay, like doing this for people I don't know out there. And how about you guys on YouTube? That's why I decided to make the video to share with to offer free website design to you guys that doesn't want to go through the stress of creating your own website yourself. Okay, that's why I actually did that video. If you haven't watched the video, you can go check the video out, or I'm going to link it above right here. Okay, for you to check the video out. I actually stopped doing that. I didn't do it any longer because my team there was so much workload for them to handle. Okay, so what I now did is I got a product which I promote, which is Bluehost, okay, which is a hosting platform, which the payout is above $50. Then after getting my product, then I decided to offer extreme value. Make sure you're offering extreme value, okay, higher value. Imagine I was offering to design free websites for people I don't even know, okay, on Facebook. I was DMing people on Facebook and on Instagram, okay, people I literally don't know, and I was DMing them that, hey, how you doing? I get to know about their businesses. Some of them I got to meet them on Facebook groups. Okay, you can join Facebook group to make this strategy work. Make sure you go and join some Facebook groups. So after joining some of those Facebook groups, okay, I reached out to some of those people and I saw some of the things they needed. Some of them really need a website, okay, because some of them were startups, okay. So they need a website. So I offered that for them, or I offered that to them, my services to them, that I can actually get them a free website design. Now, which I now did. Now you might be thinking to create a website is very, very difficult. Hell no. Creating a website is very, very simple, okay? You don't need coding experience, you don't need any of those stuff, okay? All you literally need is to get somebody that really needs a website. You get money from them and you can literally create the website by just watching YouTube tutorials, okay? It's that simple. Just watch how to make a website with WordPress from scratch, step by step. And you're good to go. Just follow the steps right there and you're making your website already. That's how it works, okay? So after getting the product, which is number one, number two, I looked for people I offered extreme value to, okay, which is the free website design, okay, extreme value. You can do this with any niche. You can offer coaching call, you can offer to help them one way or the other in any niche, depending on the niche. Just make sure you're offering extreme value higher than what the product is. Okay, and you want to make affiliate commissions. Okay, what you're going to be making is affiliate commissions. Imagine I was making affiliate commissions $65 off one website. That is very small. Some web developers are not going to do that, but I decided to do this because I have the team and the resources to pull this off. That is why I actually went for it. Okay, so if you can, go for it. Also, like I said earlier on, if you're depending on the niche you are, make sure you look for a way to offer extreme value at a higher level. Okay, so yeah, people will understand that, wow, you're giving me this much value for nothing, next to nothing, okay? So what I now literally did was, after reaching out to them that I can actually design their website for them for free, then making sure they're going to use my affiliate link, my Bluehost affiliate link, to get hosting. So they're going to be getting hosting. Once they got hosting, I got $65. When they get hosting, I got $65. That is how it literally worked. And it was easy for me to get 2 signups a day, 3 signups a day. That is how it went. Easy and easy peasy, okay? Until I stopped doing that strategy, okay? So that's how you can literally do this in any niche. What you have to do is just to get a product you're going to be promoting. Look for an audience that have a problem in their niche, okay? Help them solve the problem. Maybe doing coaching call, depending on your experience or your expertise, where you're good at, okay? Offer them extreme value, okay? And maybe recommend them to a product with your affiliate link. By so doing, you'll be getting signups. That's how I literally did it. So with mine, I was able to get signups, and not just that, I also got upsells and downsells. The upsells I got for this was full branding, because I have a branding company, I have a branding business I run, so I can easily offer you my branding services as an upsell, because most of these people were startups. They wanted to start up their business, so I can literally create a logo, create stationaries and all those branding stuff for them. That is what the upsell I was offering to them for about $200. Okay, that was like higher than what I was going for. You see, this is more of like law of reciprocity, that once you give, I don't know, the universe tends to give you back one way or the other. Okay, that's what literally happened. So as I was offering extreme value to them, they were going for it, and they now saw that they needed branding, which I now upsell branding. And some of them that literally didn't want branding, okay, I literally and didn't want to go through the stress of creating content, I did a downsell, okay, to refer them to a friend of mine that offers Fiverr gig, okay, for them to create content, write-ups, like let's say content generation, generate blog posts for the blog, okay, because some of them doesn't know how to do it and they don't want to do it themselves. Some of them don't even have the time. Most of them don't even have the time. So I downsell them on content generation, okay. You see, I was making money by doing upsell and downsell because I was offering extreme value. So by doing all this, okay, I was able to pull in commissions. Okay, I was able to pull in commissions, and if I wanted to continue the process, I can literally continue it, and I can continue this in any niche I choose. Okay, any niche I want to go into. Okay, this is still the same strategy. This works, and it can work in any niche. Trust me, it can work in any niche. You can literally do this even if you're a complete beginner. Okay, don't get overwhelmed with this information. It's very, very simple. Anybody can literally do it. Let's go this over again so you understand my point right here I'm trying to make, so you don't miss out on anything. The first thing I did in creating this, or in getting to this $100 a day with this strategy, is I got a product which is Bluehost. Okay, I've been promoting Bluehost for quite some time, so I decided to promote it in a different way. I got a product which is going to be paying me above $50 in commissions. Then I looked for people that I can offer extreme value to, higher than what I normally do. Okay, extreme value, which is I offered a free website design services for them, something I charge above $100 or $200 or $300 for, or $500 for, or $1,000 for. I decided to do it for free. Okay, literally free. So as I was doing this for free, they were signing up for this using my affiliate link, which I was getting commissions from. They are going to get hosting through my affiliate link, definitely, before you can qualify for this. So they were signing up through my affiliate link. Okay, so I was getting $65 per sign up. Then secondly, I decided to offer an upsell, which is full branding, because most of them were startups. I offered full branding services. Now, you must not, if you want to apply this strategy, you don't have to know branding. Okay, you can literally hire someone else on Fiverr or on Upwork, okay, to do the branding for you if you don't know anything about branding. And for the website, to help them create the website, you can watch YouTube tutorials on how to make a WordPress website step by step. It is that simple, and you can literally do this yourself. Okay, make this free website for them. Alright, it is not hard. No coding experience needed, no technical skills. It's just your time. You just need to focus, learn how to create this WordPress website step by step, and make this website for them. That's how it literally works. So I upsell them full branding services, and I downsell them content generation, okay, for them to generate blog posts or to do research and all that for their business. Okay, so I have a friend on Fiverr that offers Fiverr gig, which I recommend I recommend some of my clients to that person, okay, to for their services, for them to generate content for the blog I'm going to be designing for free for them, because I need content to do the website, right? Then lastly, I collect commissions. I took commissions from that, I rinse and I repeat the process. That is how it literally worked. Now, I put all this in my affiliate marketing ebook. I'm going to link that in the description, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video. I put all of that in my affiliate marketing ebook, step by step on how to apply this exact strategy I just mentioned right here. You're going to get that for free in the description. And also, if you want to book a coaching call with me, okay, you can sign up in the description box as well. Just go right there, fill in your details, and I'll get back to you on that. So that brings me to the end of this video. If you enjoy it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything, because subsequently I'm going to be putting out review on some cool softwares that is going to be helping you guys in terms of affiliate marketing and making money in 2019. Okay, I'm going to be doing some reviews on some softwares, on some products that is going to be helping you guys right here on this channel as well. So you don't want to be missing out on that, right? You want to be getting all the full juice and all the full nuggets out of this channel as well. So that's it for now, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.